In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn the basic gameplay rules and strategy guides for a dice-based landmark game and use event schedules to progress faster. First, open Chrome and get yourself set up to read through the game's basic rules. This is an important starting point because it gives you a clear overview of how the game works before you jump too far in. When you're reading, focus on reliable pages that explain the gameplay in a simple way. The goal here is not to memorize everything immediately, but to build a solid foundation so the rest of the game makes sense. As you go through the guides, pay close attention to the core mechanics. Start with rolling dice, since that usually drives the pace of the game and determines what actions or rewards are triggered. Understanding when and how dice rolls affect your turn will help you make smarter decisions later. Next, learn how buying landmarks works. Landmarks are often a major part of long-term progress, so it's useful to understand what they cost, what benefits they unlock, and how they fit into your overall strategy. You'll also want to understand how collecting rent works. This mechanic is often one of the main ways you generate income or gain resources over time. As you read, notice what conditions need to be met for rent collection to happen and how different parts of the game can improve your earnings. A good tip here is to think about how these three systems, dice rolls, landmarks, and rent, connect with each other. Once you see how they interact, the game becomes much easier to understand. After you're comfortable with the basics, move on to checking online event schedules. This step can make a big difference if you want to maximize progress. Events often provide limited time rewards, boosted earnings, or special opportunities that aren't available during normal play. By following the schedule, you can plan your time better and avoid missing useful bonuses. When reviewing event information, pay attention to the start times, end times, and the type of rewards being offered. This helps you decide which events are worth prioritizing. If an event lines up with the mechanics you've just studied, such as earning more through rent or speeding up landmark progress, that's usually a sign it can be especially valuable. By combining a strong understanding of the rules with careful attention to event timing, you'll give yourself a much smoother and more efficient start. Take a few minutes to read, learn the system,